Hello friends, today's topic Nifty crashed by 247 points. Where is the next support? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Weekday for our markets today. Markets moving like a seesaw. Market performance today. Nifty 50 minus 1.11%. Nifty mid cap 100 minus 1.94%. Nifty small cap 100 minus 1.87%. However, the individual stocks in the mid and small cap index fell more heavily between 3 to 10%. The main reasons for the crash in the markets are: number one, waiting for GDP data. Tomorrow, 29 February, government will announce the GDP growth figures for October-December 2023, that is quarter 3. It is not clear how the GDP figures will be, and hence there may be nervousness among investors leading to selling shares and waiting for the announcement. 2. General profit booking. Since small cap index is trading at a high valuation compared to large caps, investors are booking profits by selling small cap stocks. Gradually, the investments will increase in large cap stocks this year. The RSI and mid and small cap indices were around 80, which means that they were significantly in overbought zone. Even after today's market crash, the RSI of mid cap and small cap indices are still between 71 to 75. Any RSI figure above 70 is called overbought zone. Usually markets cannot sustain in the overbought zone for too long, and corrections become more likely at such times. Third reason, SEBI concerns about small and mid cap funds. SEBI has also asked mutual fund companies to inform investors about the risks involved in investing in mid and small cap stocks. Most new investors have seen the continuous rally of the above indices and are not aware of how severe the crash in these stocks can be. Small and mid caps have received high inflows in the last 1 year. Many mutual funds have either stopped or restricted lump sum investments into their small cap funds since they are hesitant to invest in small cap stocks at high valuations, but investors continue to invest in the schemes. This is resulting in excess money with the mutual fund schemes. For the calendar year 2023, small cap funds net inflows rupees 41,035 crores, mid cap funds net inflows rupees 22,913 crores, large cap funds net outflow rupees 2,968 crores. Automobile stocks, PSU banks, realty, media and oil, gas indices were all down by around 2% today. Since Nifty has closed below the 22,000 mark, there could be some weakness, but markets have a support around 21,800 mark. But markets are moving up and down like a seesaw between 21,800 and 22,200. However, you can see that even though the small cap index fell by 2% today, there is still scope for some correction in the coming weeks and months due to the huge rally in 2023. Don't get distracted by the volatility if you are a long-term investor. Just continue to do SEP in the stock you have selected and monitor the business performance once in 3 months. If you have invested for short term, make sure to sell when the syndication arises as per technical analysis. Otherwise, you may lose out on your profit. Analysts are expecting markets to trade in a narrow range for the next few weeks, just like it has done the last 2 weeks. At the end of the video, here is a question. Check your trading app and type at what percentage did your portfolio fall today. Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.